I'm the prince of this kingdom. I be there.
You don't wipe my nipple. You be the prince of this kingdom. Not be your mess, prince of people. No, you want scratch me?
No.
No, you want scratch on the pocket.
I swear. I love it. No.
Come on, move.
Hey.
And they talking.
Hey.
Come on, move it.
I be prince of this kingdom. Now your prince is like so.
If you talk prince again now, guy. If you talk.
Wait, I beg now. Come on.
I said move there.
Wait.
You don't mad?
No, I didn't mad.
One man slap your ear. One man slap. Come on, move.
See, I be the prince of this kingdom. This is the way they do not.
Now that one they beg. Prince. So you carry go around my mama dey waka, you no fit greet her. My mama wey dey say wine. You no fit greet her. You dey mad? No, you dey crazy. Na my mama dey I catch am. Who is this? Give her. Don't touch him. I don't touch you. You see what you're doing? Nkechi, you see what you're doing to our place? Nkechi, I don't catch you. Nkechi, leave me. What will you do? Hey, Mama! You dey mad? Mama! For this community, I'm not blaming her. Man, catch enough. You this kid where they born for menopause stage. I never want you when you don't come here again. I talk to you with the I never Come on, throw your pocket. Hey.
You have started.
Hey, who caused you? Come on. Who caused?
I did not come here to see. I came here to see.
What did you do? Why they harass the poor boy?
Mama, see what person carry. See what man carry for. Then swear for you.
What did they go on here?
She has been harassing me.
Harassing you?
They go now. They go.
I talk. You see, you don't mad. You don't why? See this girl. You don't come on here. Mama, what is this boy they do here now? See what this person carry for. What's in your hands?
Etiada, slap and fall.
But I don't slap today, no good though.
Now you slap this small boy. You won't kill him.
Mama. Mama, this one no be small boy. Man when no complete na mango. See what they use this one do. This who they call me now. Who they call? Mama, leave the. Hey!
Who be that?
Hey, Mama. Mama, you know who they. Aye! You don't know who they call. I they call.
Now that boy, when they call you again, if another person now, you go come chance him. Now you thunder fire you and that boy stupid. What thing I go do this blood Jesus self? You do me, I do you. God no go vex.
See that girl? She's very lucky. Ojura says she's very lucky. See, if not for that charm she's using, hey! She doesn't know me, oh. I'm very strong, oh.
Why you run? You the same person, they very lucky, and now you first run. You take off. Now even myself even follow you. I'm supposed to blame myself. She's very lucky. Now even you, they lucky.
If you're not the prince, can I check your water? You're a very stupid person. It's a drugging man. See, why is it that you like to disgrace me? Oh, bro, Makagi, it's not because of you that girl, that stupid girl started chasing me. I don't blame you. You that is the prince, you cannot use your power. You cannot use your authority. You don't fall 10 times.
You don't see me finish. I know. Now, so insult you, insult me now. I don't hear what you talk. I've heard everything that you said. No problem. You told me that as a prince, I need to flex. I need to show my muscle.
Be a man for once and stop being a vegetable. Mpaye, biya niki ogwoge. Oye mbu.
I hear what you talk.
Where are you going?
At the come.
Bieba, come back here. Where do you think you're going?
I dey go meet Rita. I won't show her something. I won't show her my muscle. So you tell me say make I flex my muscle. I won't show her wetin I go fit do. Just you go hear the scores.
Mpanande. Bieba.
You just call me Bieba. I say make I go flex
You're
my
a very
muscle.
stupid person. So you want to go and fight her
Yes.
without eating? The small food I gave you, koja. Remove all the food. Now you want to go. I swear to God, before you go, just go and measure your grave. Go and give them measurements for your casket because they are bringing you back with win one everywhere. Open door, let us bury him.
Now you get that win one.
Now you go see am go now. Make she use her mama charm. You go there 401 times. You know how they say person fall. Now so you go.
Now one person they die, I they
Win
go.
one.
I they go there.
Come back here, Onyawa.
Why you gonna come in here now? Why they come in here?
You go do yenka. Eh? Hey! Oye merigi ya. Omandiri na ma. Come on, Vrozo wegije tukula na ebe. Go and sit down. Let me go and bring food for you from the kitchen. Kina for Prince no. Let me go to Neku oye mbu.
I go bring the food. I want chop.
Oh.
Bring the food, eh? Now because I never chop, make she they blow me at the fall the somersault. Make her chop finish. Rita, I go beat you. What I go do, Rita? Don't be smart. Hey, make her chop. Yes. Bring the food fast. Rita, wait for me. Because I dey fall. I never chop, now make me dey fall. Now I go stand well. And I go fight you.
Hey, Omotosho. Hey, see what? Calm down now. Calm down. What's up? Why you dey go now? You see me for here, you dey move. Waiting dey sup. Ben. My black Jesus.
See, just get out. Get out.
Oga, calm down. Which one be just get? Me and they get out, they go. Now me and you forever. See, they see now they tie our placenta together.
Me and you?
Yes, now. Calm down. Take am easy, my guy.
See,
Oga, calm. I they talk, you they move. Where you they move go now? Calm down now. Take am easy. Why you they vex? Fine boy. Hey, fine. My black Jesus. See you now. Why you the vex? Wetin dey play?
anyway, I don't get time.
Take am. Which one be make I comot? I dey talk you dey say make come here now. No, you dey whine my nipple. I dey talk you dey waka comot. As in Lewis Hamilton now. Where you dey go? Oh guys, say na me and you for here. You dey craze. Calm down now. With and one mama dey here dey talk, you dey pose for me. Ben. Ben, I dey tell you to talk. What's the truth?
It can never happen. Except Nama Bozia Kanenti of this village. What I need you to do is to put your eyes and ears on the ground. Find out when the land will be sold. The money must come to us. You got that?
Nekunwani, I trust what you can do. I have tried to contact the company on phone.
Now, what's the company? Who do you want to call? Who do you want to call? There is no point. Let us wait and see who will enter that land and try to sell it. Don't worry about calling anybody. All right?
I have to pick my leave.
Yeah, you have to.
Nekunwani.
Yeah. Rita, Mama, come here. Mama, Ogene. Biaba, come back here. What's this? Why did you block all the people that came to consult my shrine? Even with their sacrificial gifts, you sent them away. Have you forgotten that is what and where you eat from? Ilozogo? Mama,
You see the ones that are even coming in the future. The ones that are in their house, they are thinking that they want to come and see you and they are gathering money to buy sacrificial gifts for you. I will still block them. Mama, since you will not let me have my happiness, you know Ben is the only man that makes me happy. You don't like him, okay? Mama, is he your own? This is the only man that makes me happy. Let him be now. Why did you cover him? Now, if Ben sees me now, or name can say. Me talking to Ben is pushing me away from where he is. Mama, because if you know what you did, don't do it, oh. Guinea. Yeah.
For your information, you don't enter one chance. If I go one chance, Mama, Mama, you don't know how that boy makes me feel, oh. Eh? Mama, I've never fallen in love before. It's only that boy that has turned my head. Mama, I like that boy. Can't you see him? See beard gang now. Anyway, which boy are we talking about? Mpiampia Ben. Mama, Ben now. Ben 10. That man is ugly. Mama is saying all Jolon John, okay? Mama, you are using the eyes of the gods to look at him. That's why. Mama, look at him physically. Mama, that is black Jesus. So. Mama, have you seen that boy's BS? Can you compare him to those men in the Bible, the Jews and the Pharisees? That is the kind of... Mama, that boy is fine. You are just the one seeing him like that. Mama, you're the one using spiritual eyes to see him. Makana physically, Ben Buekwensu. Jesus. Oh, yes. Aga Kowa Kekwensu de. You bring Ben along. Hi. Mama, tell me. What do you want me to give the gods now? Just anything you want me to sacrifice so that you can undo what you did to him. Or cow kecho, goat, anything you want. Tell me, useless fowl. Wait. Let me consult the gods. Mama, so you go do it. Mama? One white cow.
Ọkwa nwa nọọsụ na-asa n'ozu alụ eyi. Ọkwa nnukwu mmadụ bụ nnukwu alụsị. Adada achụ nwe n'enu na nne nụ ya n'enu. Abalị ife. Ịṅalụgo mmanya ọkụ ṅụọ. Nalụ m ọjị taa. Irielu m nzu nwoke, irielu m nzu nwaanyị. Oge erugo mgbe ihe eje ọgụ. Ihe eje ọgụ.
See, Papa, see. Let me just say it the way it is. See, is it that idiot that calls herself Marita? Whatever she does in this kingdom is shish. One dime will not be given to her concerning that land. Because she's very wicked. She's an idiot. Go to my
Udaume, if not because I am a strong man, that woman would have swept me off like a dry leaf. Manabu majano brakwe. Ana ma baba. What is it again? It has started. Sit down. Go. Hey. Sit down. Let me bring your herbs for you.
Wait. See what we do here? Once this thing starts like this, did you know? We see him up.
Okay.
Just be. You know, when a man is mad, he does not know that he's mad. So don't let me see it. Or that what you mean?
Okay. When they make a cock, imo jugo.
Oh, yeah, name me more.
Hey.
Chiro, I thought he told to be avoiding them. Does it mean that he met Mama Rita again?
He's not only meeting Mama Rita. Rita well okay mola happy. Well mawayanti. She gave him a dirty slap, oh.
Rita!
But wait, since how much ya?
Slap! Slap the whole priest! The whole priest of this kingdom! That idiot, Rita! Slap the Banu! Who is Rita? What does she think he is? Mother Rita! If I get her this warrior, what she will feel in this kingdom? Stop the.
If you want to meet her. But just make sure her slap does not meet you. If her slap meets you, you go fence.
Ah! You cannot do anything. Rita times 2 and her slap will never kill a fly as far as Muabu is involved. Madam is with them. And I do go for your bubble.
Hold on. Let him take his.
You understand? I am the prince. I go banish you. I don't want you before you need the year. I go banish you, I swear.
Drink,
You know
you
that.
not banish.
You see,
You
I
not
don't banish.
banish.
Help him to drink it.
Sorry.
Help him to drink it. You see this thing you are saying now? It will be making his head to scatter.
Oh, sorry.
Let him drink this herb.
Sorry.
Stop saying.
Sorry.
It's okay. It's okay.
Sorry. My prince, just drink your medicine so that your brain will be reset.
He will come back.
You know, yes.
The brain will come back.
Because
he's heavy.
It's the way you are now, my prince.
Vegetable.
Just
drink your. No, come on, okay. Just
this thing you are saying is ransacking his brain.
Cha. Hey! Make her clean your eye. My life, my earth, my universe, my grave, my heart. In fact, you are my everything. Calm down now. Why you dey vex? I never even know what I do you will make you the paranoid like this. Why you take come easy? Narita, oh. Narita.
Who invited you here? Did I ask for you?
Ben, calm down now. Shebi, I don't beg you. What did I do? No, I just want to know what did I do you? Eh?
Listen, Rita. If you don't leave here this minute, if I go in there and come out, what I will do to you, a man like it.
Oh, God, shut up, Joe. You dey whine me. Which one if you go in there and come out? For who? No, who you open eye for now? Now Rita and one mama, you dey follow the talk. Wait, you know, say me I know they find trouble, but you dey see me, I dey shop trouble like water. No, yes, nah. Which one be? Okay. Pin there.
You are still here. You don't want to leave. Just wait, I'm coming.
Ben. Mother, see me see wahala. Now me Ben they tell me say go.
Hey, Otom. Chai, Rita wa mama. One atom ka sugar. Hey, so you're even here?
No, I know they.
I didn't even know that you're here.
You don't know side they here. So what do you carry cutlass? What do you use cutlass do?
Cutlass? No cutlass.
No, na injection. Who they ask?
Sorry, I want with this place.
Yeah.
You see, say this place don't grow.
Yeah.
But just forget about that one.
Forget
Forget about that one. See, let me just quickly go inside and get some cash so that we'll go to sunny place and chop pepper soup. Just let them
as you know, get sense. Okay, calm down. Which one be pepper soup? No, you just won't carry me go chop pepper soup. Rita, you won't carry. I tell you, say that pepper soup they hungry me. No, I ask you now.
No verse now. Waiting I go do for you now. No verse now.
So now. My guy! Okay now, I did my zone.
Wait now. Wait, make I go inside. Make I bring money. No go chop pepper soup.
Which one be make Oga calm down? You want carry me? A whole Rita one mama. Go chop pepper soup. Now here you dey tell me. Guy, you go come my zone. You know what Romeo and Juliet? They play love. You go come there, you go kneel down, you go beg me. I want to take you out, maybe go drink pepper soup. No Martin now. They tell me that I hear just want to, you want just carry me come out like that. No now. I did my zone.
I truly talk, maybe like no verse here. Just forgive me, yeah? Just wait. Yeah, wait. Make I go bring the cash.
Hey! My black Jesus.
Sweet baby.
See as man fine. Aye! You be like all those men, your baby, you be like all those men for Bible, the Jews and the Pharisees them. Very correct guy. He? So Juju they walk like this. Mama Rita. Hi! You too much, I cut cap for you. Not only for Nigerian film, I just say Juju they walk for real life. Jesus. I dey wait for you, my brother. Ah.
any kind of game. Come. I know where you're going. You are on your way to our house. So that both of you will continue your evil plot against this kingdom. Okay, no. You think I don't know? You think I don't know? See, let me tell you. You see all this nonsense that both of you are doing. Let me tell you, no, the gods of this kingdom are not asleep. Yes, no matter what that idiot that call herself Mama that does in this kingdom, both of you can never take what belongs to the people of this kingdom. Or do not possible.
Are you okay? Are you okay?
Okay?
How can you say this? I did not. Let me say.
Oh no! Let me. You are an idiot. When you come and you are an idiot. You are an idiot. You cannot do anything. How can you allow that woman to? You are that woman. To destroy the kingdom. It will not possible. About what no. Can you idiot? You come on. All going to go belong. Pepe, all go. Talk about idiot. Look at that. I'm working at the talk about swagana.
Uda. I don't look you since so. You know say I just look you. Uda, if I run enter you, my dog if
I enter you, if you survive me, come a bastard. Back in me, out. You know this.
Odo, like this, just to like say nothing they happen for you. Delete.
Go.
Oh no, wait, say delete now. That's one.
You can't do anything. Go. You try to kuaganya.
Me, I don't go do anything.
But I am ready to put you on them. Now that to go. Can you do?
You don't want me? I dey talk you don't want me? No, stand up now.
No.
I say stand up. Stand up, let me take up. I
We will see at the end of today whose foot will step into that land. They will have me in wine to condemn.
Look wine. We host an anya.
They will know why I am called Nekuwine.
I can is wogu.
I don't make you wine.
I can is Swati.
Hey, evil people, are you sure they are not trying to plant something on this community land? Hey, well, I need to go and tell Odari. You see it? Next time, Ishigabo, Ishimiyaki, Ishirita, Ishuku, Yaki gefu. What's that? I'm putting up. I'm putting up one dog. If I forgot, all gay men and Omega, Unyala, you've never seen anything. Evil will before you people. Can you go
anywhere where you no go better for you. Hey, you go die open yash. And then no go see Mamarita, oh. Hi. Mamarita, oh. Hi. That's killed me, oh.
I
Act of the gods! It has happened! Oh my god! Hey! Hey, what my eyes just saw now, onuma perikochaya. Eyes of the gods, I saw those evil people. Mama Rita with Onowu, I saw them in that community land.
Well, as you can see, I am preparing to go there. I know. I'm aware of it. Because Mamuzo saw them entering there. Let me finish.
I'm very sure.
They will not plant anything. So let me go there. So I will have reason to warn them about it.
Eyes of the gods, I'm coming with you.
No, it's not for people like you. It's not for people like you.
Yes, sir.
Nekumai, see from there, down that S3, beside that building there.
Yes.
Cross down like this. Was the idea to kill him?
You mean you did not give him what I gave you to give to him? You know, you're just a big fool. There's no difference between you and him.
No, I cannot be. I cannot be. Where are you going, my friends?
Oh, Togunwake. What age Jemba? Ogalanyangada. You're welcome. What are you doing here? I hope you're good.
I am fine, Nukowai. I came to see if the company people are here. I was told some people were saying...
You see, the thing about life is just gossip. Gossip. The people, oh no, one myself. Don't mind what people say. You don't listen to what they say. Well, I mean, what's the big deal with us being here? Look at them, bringing you out of your house instead of you to be resting. Don't worry yourself, Biko. I just want to advise you, my dear prince. Ogalanyangada. You know, due to your health condition, but it's okay. In case those people come, tell them that Ono here would represent you. That way you'll find that the land will be sold easily and the benefits will come to everyone. You gotta go?
You are hard on the horse's mouth. As in wine.
Oh no, we be idiots. Only about horse. You know, so number as in wine. Oh no, say horse's mouth. Don't mind him.
So, Rita, that means Rita used Juju. Used Juju on me. That she had about to slap me down high. And that like this, that high. That chidiki. Hey! Hey! This girl get my use Juju. What about Quara? What about Padola? The worst part of it, who knows the people that witnessed the event? All these girls, Muazi and Nene. Who knows how many of them that saw what happened in the kitchen? I've done my part already. I don't do my part. Oh no, here is my problem. He's supposed to be our spokesperson, but he's not. I'm not gonna lie, he's not.
Will never happen. Not here. Not in this life. Not even in the lands of the spirits.
Who invited you here? You visionless, powerless dibia of their time. What are you doing here? It's people like you that I do not like. Who invited you? You see him, Oyuninia? People like this, they go around spreading rumors about Ono One Eye, saying things that are not nice about us, giving information to bring us down because he wants to be called the best divia of our time. Oman, walk. It will not work.
It's only a foolish person that can pay attention to a deceitful tongue. You see, this is the last time I will see you around here. Whatever you came here to do will not work. My prince, for the best of your interest, go home.
Okay. Eyes of the gods. I was about to go in before you came in. So let me go now.
You are the one that put it there. How come you knew it was there? You just went straight to that spot and brought it out. You put it there. But I'll tell you something. By the time I'm done with you, you will know that I am not called Nkuwani for play. I am Nkuwani because I am bigger than that Nkuwani. You see, 10 of you people cannot withstand me.
Evil has time lapse. Very soon we will know who will be generally accepted here. You, your schemes and your cohort will vanish in this land, whether you like it or not.
It is not possible. You see, I didn't come here to banter words with you now, because I am greater than you. I will leave you for today. Do not trespass, else I will deal with you.
Even one-legged lion will not fret with the disturbances of the hyena. Omu abu agudegu. Kreketembo, eba aba mo. Ijro nwayo mbage.
Agama bobu before my level kagede. Agama bobu before my level kagede. Agama boy talk. If we let him have access to the prince, it will be a problem for us.
It is a good idea.
So I think the best thing to do is to get him to come to my house. If we have a close relationship with him, then we'll be able to get information and any other thing that we'll need to pursue our cause.
Yes, exactly. But should I tell him to come and see you?
When I'm ready, I will call him. But I want you to go to the palace.
Yeah.
Try and find out if there's any new arrangements or proposals that he has with the company.
I will.
Okay.
Consider it done.
I trust you.
I
I trust you.
Oh,
I know, man. Right. Mama, Rita. Rita, get it. Rita, what is this? Mama. Hey, Rita, Mama. What happened? What happened? Mama, put down my foot with me. Oh, see what he did. He did this to you. Mama, sit down here. I am coming. Hey, Mama, Mama, see so. It feels like I'm in. Jesus. Mama! Oh, yeah, take this. Mama. Take this, drink it. Mama. Take this and drink it. Hey, do you know what is wrong with you? It's called umbekwafo. Yeah, tortoise in your stomach. Drink up this thing and fast. If what is smelling Ike will save you, drink it.
Mama.
Drink up. Mama. Let me tell you something. If the tortoise in your stomach develops legs, that's it for life. You will carry it for life. Now drink up. Oh, drink this thing fast. Do you want me to force this thing down your throat? Mama,
this thing is smelling.
Forget the smell. Just take down the liquid. Mbeku for life. Drink.
Okay.
Mama, Ropo. Good. It's okay. You'll be fine. You're relieved. Stop, I told you. Mazian Kitty. Hey, you see? Do you know this thing? If the baby develops legs, he will not leave your stomach again. He will demon for life. He was okay finesse.
My prince, I should be on my way now. For the best of your interest, I want you to stay clear from her. I have been treating this for over 3 years, trying to make sure that you gain yourself. When you are about to get yourself, something will happen in between the line and we'll go back through the whole process again, trying to make sure that you regain your memory loss. This is how it begins. This is what we'll call Alantamu. Small is gradually growing to it's both Allah.
May the gods forbid. It not go happen to me. The gods forbid. It not go happen. Oh no.
My prince, you are looking okay. I thank the gods of our land. See, once we conclude this contract with this company, we can have enough money so you can go for better treatment. At least something that can keep you under a psychiatric doctor for a period of time until you are fully treated.
Oh no, are you saying that?
No. I'm not saying that the mandate is full, but just to checkmate it from my brain. My brain,
You are mad, oh no.
Please don't misunderstand me. I am not saying that you are mad. How can you be mad? Mbano. I am not saying that.
Now what did they talk? They say they're mad now. You are mad.
No, how can I say you are mad? But I am not saying that you are mad. Mbano, how can you be mad?
What exactly are you saying?
But no, Ubelana now.
Chineke Boko. Oh no, wala babogi.
No.
Chineke Boko.
A tattoo man like me.
I
will tell you that I am Ngongo Nego to Yen.
Stupid okay.
I must punish her.
Okay,
This man will say I must banish him. Now short him for me.
Banishing is so far.
Oh no, I must banish you, I swear.
It's your.
They tell me something at the mad, me as a prince, the mad.
Negotiation can happen
I
now.
swear I must banish him. Now shut him for me.
Unyala. You're even here listening to that stupid man. You don't know that when somebody is telling you you're mad, Oku did not, Ike did not know Oku. Oh, now what you're not actually back to sender. Unyala. Stupid okay.
Prince of this kingdom, say you are mad. Me mad, don't know. I must banish you, I swear.
It's him that is mad. There is nothing he can do. Try, try. Try, come watch the stupid okay. Unyala mele spy. How you doing?
I'll be fine.
What did you say? I said that the only way you can get rid of this impet in your stomach is through fatting. As you fat, the stomach will be reducing. Okay, take it easy, okay? Just try and see if you can control your anus. Sometimes in your narrow fear, open get carabin. Take it easy. are you complaining now? Am I one causing it? Eh? Why are you complaining? Hey! Wait. Do you want to bring down this building or you want to pollute the whole nation? Eh? Stop complaining. I'm not the one causing it. Hey! I can't take it anymore. Mama, I have to go inside. Mama, baby, now. I'm just stay there. Please, I do not want trouble. Mama, no. Because if you enter here, this farting will destroy my medicine. Just stay out. When you're done farting, then you can enter. Mama, but I can't stay here alone. Please say yes, son. What?
What is it? What is the problem? Udome, are you not the one I'm asking you? Keep checking your cheek.
Baba, what is it? Eh? Chineke. Eh?
Uda wolo. Abru da no fia.
Since you have decided that I will have no peace, you will have no peace. There will be only trouble and trouble upon trouble in your family. I promise you that. Oh, he's sending it back. Oh.
What is it now? Can't you control yourself?
What is wrong with you? Eh? Why are you shouting on Makaha? Eh? Don't you fart?
This thing stinks, man.
It stinks, man.
Better know what is wrong with you.
Nah, I hate it, man. Stop shouting. Why are you shouting? Don't you fart?
It's okay.
Now see me stinks, man.
Stop. You come back to sender. Stop following me. Back to sender.
Mama.
Back to sender. Back to sender.
What is happening?
Mama.
Is your mother running mad?
Inapuala. Are you mad? It is you, your entire generation, and this your incomplete Biabia that is running mad. Hey. Look at this one that I'm managing.
Sorry, now. Sorry. Yeah. It's just an ordinary question. Yeah? What is wrong with you, sir? What is this now?
Why are you covering your nose?
Stop it.
Stop what now?
I'm going, sir.
Ben, where are you going now?
Stop, leave me, stop following me.
You want to leave me because... Ben! Hey! Car will find Nagboza. She's a... Jesus. Hi. That may shall never be well with you.
No. Don't worry. She can only try, but she will not succeed. Don't worry, in an hour time, you'll be fine. My friend, you will be fine.
The pain is too much. Hello. Okay. What is pushing you down and up? Pushing you down? Okay, what? Huh? Papa! Gina! Papa! Look what I do! Now stop this prank! Huh? Sorry, just... bad. You dey give people medicine and they take them now. You dey miss go Sorry. So just wow.
Wait, Oda. So you mean say your father made it talk?
I'm telling you. I'm just telling you. Thank God, though. If I had not, I didn't mean that I was not home when this thing happened. He could have been dead. I'm telling you, they take me a prayer tower. Go. Da. I'm just gonna go. All of a sudden. I'm telling you.
This man they talk like this.
You know that for you.
I will sabotage.
Just come on.
You heard him saying that he cannot talk, and you heard Mama, what time you name? You used to talk like Oye.
Shut up.
Eh? You saw that somebody is not talking, and he's just explaining it to us. In a query.
Don't do shut up.
Wait, but this man a strong man now. How this kind of thing go happen to this guy?
But no, don't forget about somebody being strong. This is an attack. It can happen to anybody. Yes, now. He was not expecting it. Because we were together. Because I was just crying now. Narita, so all of a sudden, he came. The thing pushed him down. Send it back to sender. They take a bar. And that was it. So it can happen to anybody. It can happen to anybody.
Joey.
Kita kau kasih kita ni gua calm down now.
Stop to the shut a lot.
Calm down. Kita ini dia kujo kuna nada you are not talking now kau kasih kita joki gua relax.
Let the shut to happen.
Sorry my calm down now. Sorry my dear, just sorry.
Biko Udawmi, all of us here, this shouldn't be our worry. Our worry now is to look for a way to make the eyes of the gods come back to his normal self. We have a battle. Mama Rita gatakwa ikajagwara wo.
He had this one. Honoria. He had it. Push Marita. You said idiot. She's an idiot. She cannot do anything. Mama Rita.
You don't know. You just do ta. See your father they breathe like who fall from top of the tree. Your father they breathe like lizard way fall from tree. Yes now. Ta. Which can ta?
If not that you are the prince of this land, I would have just said that you are an idiot.
You know that be prince.
You are a prince again?
I go banish.
Why would you be saying that my father they prince? In fact, you idiot.
Respect yourself.
It's okay. Uzugo is okay. Udawmi, it's okay. Calm down. All of us should put our heads together to know the way forward.
Strong man.
Please. Oh?
Yes, now.
Oh, yeah, boy.
Go and treat yourself and stop following me around.
Hey.
What's your problem?
Ben, you know, if you were in this condition, I will not leave you.
Okay. It will not happen to me.
Okay, please, now. Please, Biko, don't leave me, Biko. Aye! Obia. Hey. Ayo.
See what I'm saying? You see what I'm saying? Your mother refused to be good, attacking innocent people diabolically, and you're supporting her.
Ben, Biko, please now, Please. Aye! Aye! Aye, Ben now. Aye. I watch him up.
You dey post because of juju when you carry. You dey feel say now you be galadima.
Ben!
Otofe wake when no fe. Tupo ora kamadu. Kangwayo.
Ben! Ben!
I can see all your back why you're no no. Yoko. Ah, yelele. Yo. Ah, yoko. Ah, yelele. When you dey oppress people with your power, you think say you go win forever. No, ngwachelo. Ife di madanya nyo, ife di jojo bulo ngwe. Hey, there is no way evil can prevail over good. Oyakwa saru imako we yo. Yelele. Imako we yo ko.
Carry pipe, put water tower. The pipe is short. See, nonsense. Look at. At least use waterproof. Hold this thing. The water is small everywhere. Person who do these things is an idiot. This pipe is an idiot. Telling you. Can you imagine? No! No!
Hey, Mama the mama.
What happened?
Mama the mama.
What happened?
Mama, you needed to see drama.
I hope you did the right thing.
Mama, I choose him.
Good.
Your daughter,
Yes.
Rita One, Mama. The daughter of the author and finisher of Juju.
Yes.
Mama, I have done what you said I should do.
I hope you did not make any mistakes.
Mama, you needed to see what happened.
Ofio.
Jesus! Hey!
Ofio.
Hey! Hey! Mama!
Nem.
Mama! Yes, again.
This is only the beginning of the end.
Hey!
I planned it.
Hey!
And this thing will not stop for a very, very long time. How dare he make you fat?
Imagine.
Udia ring your eba obobeli fe.
Mama,
Oh no. Of course
Hey.
say.
Hey.
How can you get say? Not just to say, for
She says.
a very long time. In a
Mama!
Hey!
But Mama.
And the father.
Yes.
Yeah, for the father.
It is sure.
Before he will take care of him, the boy would have suffered enough. In short, his backside. Hey!
Ow!
Anyway, that's beside the point. The main point is this. I need to travel.
Travel?
Yes. If Otali now knows the power that I work with. So I need to go and get more powers. Because you and I will own this kingdom. Oh yes.
Hey!
You see that piece of land? With those people coming with their proposals,
Mama,
they'll be in our palms.
Chai!
And you will for me fegolani.
Hey!
And you was your bodo. Do you understand what I'm saying?
Mama, the evil.
I know.
Mama, the evil.
If it the evil, it's a gift.
Hey!
It's a gift.
Hey!
Hey!
Mama!
Chukuneke.
Hey!
Febemia.
Mama, where are you?
Mama,
Mama, where are you? Open. Mama, raise your shoulder.
I'm Rosia.
Nothing do you. Raise your shoulder. Mama, raise your shoulder. Hey! Rest quiet.
Onward.
Odiro high enough. Mama, raise it.
Unkunye.
Yeah, 360 raise it. Hey! Mama! Mama, raise your Hey! Mama, patago. Mama, raise your shoulder.
Should I continue?
Mama, raise them. Mama, raise them. Raise them. Raise them. Raise them. Raise them. Raise them.
Chelo kwana shoulders ne bumumbu.
Just came out now. Get it, bro. Nah, what is this? Can you hear Lily? What did I eat? No, now I did not eat anything. I did not eat anything. I didn't eat anything. Only Hindi now. What did I eat? I did not eat anything that should warrant this stomach upset.
Come. What is wrong with you?
Stop talking to us now. Listen, I can't stop. I can't stop. This running will not understand. Hold up there.
You know what is wrong? You know what they do. Answer me now.
Osondo. Sometimes I don't understand you. Was it not the both of us that were just walking? And we saw him passing and you're asking me what is wrong with him? I don't understand you. Sometimes I wonder if you the reason why, but I don't blame you.
Listen, no insult me because of question I ask you. Because of small question I ask you, you want to insult me. You want to over-assume, they insult me any way you like. Or you teach me how to ask question. Just teach me how to ask. Stop to look me like that. No, they look me like that. Teach me how to ask question.
I should teach you how to ask questions.
Yes.
It's very obvious, Gary. Very, very obvious. You saw somebody and you're asking me question. Don't
No,
ask me that stupid question
Stop to
again.
insult me, Joe. Waiting they do, me not fit tell me, they tell me or nothing.
But you saw him holding his bomb. His bomb. Meaning that she not there.
You know, if you tell me now, as I ask question now, because of small question, you they insult me big insult. Now so they do something.
But you saw him holding his bomb. Did you not see him? Yes or no? Euphoria.
Where could they go?
Osondu, oye megi your man diri anamma.
No problem.
Eri bag ni me kom. Oye megi your man diri gena. O man diri anamma. Where are you going? I'm going with you. Oh, where exactly are you following me to?
I'm following you now. They follow you go anywhere where they go.
If they follow me, they go anywhere where they go. Yeah. So if I enter bush, you go follow me enter bush. No, if I enter toilet, you go follow me. I bet they go your house. No be your house be this. Eh? Why they follow me now?
I'm going with you. Make would they go? No problem. You don't know me.
I'm leaving this village. I'm leaving for good. Eh? How can I be living in this village? All in the name of loving someone. And my mates are out there making money, making ends meet for themselves. Building houses, big houses, buying big cars. Eh? That girl just because she's beautiful. And I chapa manya, we're all gonna akubum. Eh?
See what you are doing. No, Ben don't gather morale. No, he don't gather in full momentum. He want Jackpot come up for this village. Leave me. What? You go turn back. No, you go. You never hear soldier go, soldier come. You want leave Rita one mama for this village. Guy, you go come back. Not be my mama again. I dey talk. You go come back. Hi. Who want on the service me until Ben come back? Anyways, I'll give you time.
How you see him?
I enjoyed it. My prince, you're very, very sweet.
You like her, baby?
I think
I go deliver my pulling.
Hey, you deliver. See, this one is not enough for you. Give me 10 times.
10 times?
Eh?
So you want again now? How do you want them?
Let me give you from the back.
From the back?
Oh! I need you, doggy.
Oh, what? Hey! Who be that one?
Ignore the no.
Come on from there.
My friend, so no, he's here to see you.
Ha! Go! I dey come. Just go.
Oh, yeah,
My
put
friend,
it.
he said it's very urgent.
Hey!
Okay, give me 1 minute. I dey come now. Just go.
You dey come with? Where you won't go?
This one a community matter. I need to handle community matter first. See, at least 30 seconds.
You dey tell me that kind of thing. Eh? Today of all day that you agree to even touch me. You want to go and answer community matter. Am I not also your community matter?
Hey, baby, calm down now. Why they do like this? Calm down. Just give me 30 seconds. I dey come back. Wait.
30.
I still won't do now. This thing too sweet. Wait, make I rush go. I dey come now. What do you make they look me at? Which kind eye be that way they look me? Huh? What is I wear? Now my business. Now my house be this. So now my body too still be this. Anything I wear not concern you. It not concern anybody. Talk quick. Wait make you call me. Because I'm in the middle of something. Talk quick.
Prince in the middle of something. Well, the company men came. And they want us to go and measure the land.
You serious?
With my two naked eyes.
You saw them?
Go.
Just wait. Make I go wear something. Come, we'll go measure the land, eh?
Okay, but my prince, please, don't be in the middle of something.
It's not concerned. Don't follow me on. There, if not,
My
you
prince.
see, you go see what big pass.
Prince in the middle of something. Hi.
Something come up now. I need to take on to that land where we want to give company people. So you need to check everything. You understand? I won't go with Amna to that land.
I don't understand. You just be say you won't go with them to that land. Waiting they walk you. I don't even understand waiting they do you. So you won't leave me like this. If you own me after owning me, you can just leave me.
If I come back, we will continue now.
I bet no they tell me that thing. No they tell me that thing. All the time they always give excuse. Why they behave like this? They make I don't like it.
Just try and understand me. This money we need them. If I come out, fee give you 20 rand self. What about this body? Hey! Oh, this body not die. If I come out, I'll give you even 20
I beg you. I don't like this thing you're doing. You could batch motor, you just support.
No, not the ginger too much. Calm down. If this money enter my hand now, remember I will spoil you. I'm going to give you money now. Excess money. So see, just 1 minute, I will come back. Make her go. 1 minute, I will deliver for you. Calm down now. Eh? Enter International.
You dey post because of juju when you carry. You dey feel say now you be galadima oh. Otofe wepu ake wenofe tupo oraka madu oh. Kangwa yo ogwagu wepu aka na jogu. I can see your yabakwa yo no neno oh. Yoko yelele yo.
Correct. Oh no, my man. Your face show, your shoes shine. Hi, man. Just wait till you now they ask who I be. Oh no, we tell them who I be now. Hey.
You don't need to be afraid. She is here to make sure that the rape people in charge of lands in this our village are here with you.
Yes, that means you are safe.
You are completely safe. As the owner of this community, I'm believing you are safe.
As far as see this on Abuka, everywhere they
Mona, no fight.
What happened? The land that belongs to the whole community. Come.
No fight. Hey! No fight.
My prince, as you can see, he is dumb and he is not getting our point. Maybe he is also deaf.
Of idiots. Now come out now. Come out. You want try Rita one mama? I go run it down na spirit woto. Be like some of the craze. Come outside, you and your father now. Show now one fight. Come on, let me give you snake in the monkey shadow right now. Be like some of the Jesus.
Idiot! No! You could have dead. Idiot!
Gentlemen, there's no contest over this piece of land. It's only one idiot who sees himself as the native doctor of the village that just keeps making noise and creating problems. Any other villager in this village that complains about this land will be handled when we finally have an Igwe. But before then, Onowu here and the prince can handle anything that the king would handle. So if you have any problems, you talk to him. Really, I am sorry about what happened. It happened because I was not around.
It can't happen.
Never. But it's okay. I will handle everything, all right? So I will leave you in Onowu's hands. Onowu, please, if there's anything they need, questions to be answered, you need to take them around, do so. And at the end of the day, bring them to my house.
I will.
None.
I will.
None. Kanje.
You see, just from this spot down to that extreme.
That's what I see.
Then you have to take it like this. Yeah? Down there. All those branches. I think you see where I'm pointing at.
We will not come back here. If we find out this land is still in contest, I am Manchigate also.
No, that can never happen. As long as I, Onu of this kingdom, am in conjunction with Nekumai.
But you were here the last time. You saw what happened the last time. It cost us our time, inconveniences, and so many things.
Forget about those who want to cause trouble in this our kingdom. That will never happen.
Hey! I don't suffer for this life. Now me who da carry stone break my head. Now blood that they see down me, your own don't finish. Anywhere where you dey now, just say take off. They run no. Go somewhere, go press coffin because Baba I go draw rain. Now my head down may break like this. Hi, Mama Rita. Okay. Mama Rita.
Wetin do you for head?
I dey vex as you dey see me so.
Wetin happen?
Mama, as you dey see me so, I want change. Oh.
Wetin happen?
Mama, as you dey see me, you see this sun where they shine. Now rain dey fall.
How?
I swear I go draw rain.
Wait oh.
Hey!
Wait oh, now rain do you this?
Mama, now that pre-come of a child. That one when he be say Papa and Mama no one come oh. Now mistake. Now small just drop. Now you take formula.
Wait.
Now I break my head like this.
Wait, now they do this to you?
Mama.
Okay. Hey. Which hospital were they? I hope say all legs are broken. I hope say you teach Oda the lesson of his life.
Mama, you still...
Why they do neck like chicken where no get balance?
You still the house. But Mama, wetin I go do that?
Wait. Wetin you go do? Now wetin you do No, wetin you go do? Now wetin you do that?
Mama,
Rita,
Mama.
You be common disgrace.
Huh?
Yes, Rita. See, I no fit talk. I beg, make you carry yourself enter house because you no get head. You no get sense.
Mama?
Yes?
Make I enter inside.
Make you enter inside. You no get head at all. Which kind of nonsense be that? I beg, make you enter because better people will get head than they come here now.
Okay, Mama, I be less privileged. Which one be better people? I know follow better people. Why they drive me go inside?
You know say you be worse than less privileged. You no get head, you no get sense, you no get anything. Go inside, I beg, better people. I don't want make they see you here. Make you they enter. Then you dey. That can't give you this kind of thing for head. You come here, they say rain, they come down. I think say rain happen to your head.
Mama, anything where they happen, just shall gather the village youths. May they carry chain come home because as I dey here now, vuga I be. I go kill Uda. I go kill her, not beside a joke. Mama, I go kill her.
Pikin, na real vuga you be. Now your problem be that.
My own, no.
You dey here, they wait till you go do that. Break head, you don't fit do anything. Now real vuga you be. Now you give yourself name of waiting you be. You don't get sense at all. See what you know that do you. I think say by now in Lego they like broken sticks inside hospital. You say you not do anything. You dey here they call rain. Hi, which kind of nonsense with this one? I beg, make this better people. Make you put water for fire. Oh. Better people they come. Here they come, make we settle scores.
Uda! Ida! Ida, me continue kana boge. Where you there? Come outside now, let me shoot you. If you know what is good for you,
Just leave this your father's house. As in, vanish from this place in the Congo, Canada, Malaysia, or anywhere you want to go to. Run to, because as you are seeing yourself that you are a dead man. Just go and price your coffee because you don't die today. Look at this. Baby, you are where, baby? You better baby back. Fight, baby alive. Come on, finish up. No, come and stand now. Come and stand. Now you're picking like comfort today. Where is he? Buddha! India me, where is he? Buddha! Oh! Jesus, police. Hey! Hey!
Rita, that idiot! Ha! She can't this gun, she make she shoot me. I can't use wisdom. I use. Wow! This is now police siren. I can't talk like say I carry police. Carry the police yeah. So she thinks the police come drop her run. He says gun. I go use and kill him. I go kill the police finish. Gabriel, baby, see you tell Tower, why boy? What's I? Oh, Tower, I'm telling you. You see bah!
Why you run? Why you run?
What is even your problem? Why is it that you cannot use your hand and pray yourself out from that Mama Rita spell? You'll be following me like Oko, Ibudoko.
Hey, stop that talk. Until I follow you on, you come me say, I know. Stop to insult me. Because I follow you on, you can't insult me. Don't insult me again.
Better get well.
Stop it. Don't
Pray
insult me.
to God so that He will deliver you from this because He nagiboye really.
I don't. Don't follow me. Don't see me finish.
Hi. So this bunch of idiots were actually running because they saw me running. I even thought it was the police that they were running from too. Hi. Look at the two of them. Looking like people that they created before about women's riots. Stupid people. What I go tell no way about him? What will I tell him? No name are not Schwarzenegger. Hi! Jesus Christ.
Okay, Butso. Without me, we're making afwa.
Can you imagine that idiot that called herself Rita? That idiot came to my compound with this gun to shoot her generation. She want to kill her father. Does she have father? She want to kill her mama Rita. I'm telling you. So, as she came as one guy, one sharp, one by her menu, immediately come. I saw her pop and I dodged behind my compound, behind the house. Then the hen I got my cheek and I started talking to me. And I switched palm as if I was with police people. I was pretending as if I'm one of the police, you know. I was shouting at her, well, you only a policeman, Baboya, why can't she? Shoot this guy now, this guy is with the gun, Baboya, why? Officer, shoot her! Drop on the gun and run away. You understand? And I picked the gun, I said I was going to be with this gun. Let me jail, why can't she? But my father said no, I should return it. So the way, I was on my way now to return the gun. Because my baby, if I should hold this gun, Mfurita.
Udame would have finished me now. He would have killed me completely. Look at more.
Catch her, please, catch her. Make her catch her, Catch her, more. Make her catch her. Scatter her. Scatter. What? Hey. Oh. Hi. Scatter. Hey! Wait! Who be this? Oh, I beg.
Uda, I came to find out, Did you see the prince? Or why did he tell you where he was going to?
No, the thing is that he did not even come here. Seriously. Probably he might have gone to somewhere.
To somewhere where?
Didn't he tell you where he was going?
Odiki, what are you doing? I have not seen him today. Ajibe Maya Mafia. Hey, thank the gods, the eyes of the gods. I greet you. Please, I don't know. Did the prince tell you where he was going to? I have not seen him today. Oh, Biko, do you have an idea? Eyes of the gods. See, without me. Do you understand what your father just said?
Chelo Nkechi, are you here to understand my father? Or you are here to let me understand. If you are here, you understand my father. Or you are here to now look at that monkey.
That's not what I'm saying. Like, I'm confused. Like, the thing he said, I'm looking for the prince. As I am, I'm confused.
No. As I'm talking to you now, you were asking me. Then somebody now came out. My father came out. Somebody you know that cannot talk now, that he cannot understand what you are saying. Have you forgotten that he's dumb?
Even if he's dumb, he's the eyes of the gods. He will still know what I'm saying. That's what I'm saying now.
I don't know the kind of human being. You could the mother. Because if I start to use now every time I now. Okay, Chelo, let me understand. You still want to understand my father? You still want to understand what he said about where?
Prince.
Okay. Do you understand? No. Do you understand? You make you understand now. Have you understand? Do you understand it? Shaba boy, idiot! Mugu. No. Come on, say Susu out. Takara no we kitawakanya. Ezi. See, let me tell you. Don't you ever come to this house again. If you ever come here to talk rubbish, you kuwaganya, idiot.
Because they change their bongo clothes in a year.
Bongo bowaganya. And I'm walking Kachineko. Easy. We're just talking about something somebody that you know that cannot talk. You know, the prince, pure guy, Bahala, idiot. Unala. Nobody more on Apple. Don't forget about again. You see, they get cool, man. I'm missing get cool, man.
No, I beg. See, stop to flog me. I beg. Just tell me what you want, I go do am.
Make I tell you what thing I want, you go do am. Which one you don't do? No, I ask you. She be I ask you to open this thing. Open it and give it to me. If I talk, if you stand, it go drop. If you stand, it go drop. Eh? What thing they do you? You dey drink sugar?
Bless you. I beg. Pee, I want pee. Make I go piss, I beg.
You want pee?
They do me somehow.
You want pee? Make una see man. Man say I want pee. Me where the woman waiting I go call talk.
Okay,
you want pee?
Okay, I want peace.
But man want you na jungle you dey.
Okay.
You see that place where you sit down? Now there you go piss, now there you go shit, now there you go chop.
No,
the only time where that thing go come outside from your nika, like walk at walk. Have you heard me? You hear what I talk?
I beg, make I go piss now, I beg.
It be like say they speak Spanish. Yeah. You know hear what I talk?
Yeah.
I said the only time where that thing go come outside from your nika, now when it won't walk.
Okay.
Just carry this kind thing, you lock am inside there.
Oh, Biko no.
This thing is no longer funny. I think you know who has to do something. Maybe send a search team to go and look for him. Let them look for him. Keka, somebody gonna see nefu na bennia. Mother nefu na bennia. Who we called it? You should send a search team to go and search for him.
See, the thing is that had it been that the land has already been sold, we can assume probably that kidnappers have kidnapped him. You know, because of the money, and I cannot offer ransom. But all of a sudden, somebody just got missing. No, this is unbelievable.
Biko, has your father said anything? Has the God spoken to him? Biko.
Go to marry her. What is it? What is this with my father? Has my father? We're just talking about something that is very important. He put get here. Go to marry her. I can find out anything.
Is your father not the eyes of the gods, the mouthpiece of the gods? Is he not the person that said that Osondo is going to be my husband? The gods told him that. So I'm asking, let us know.
In fact, you know what? This discussion is over. How? Ask them how. Go for like you. No, from nowhere, you brought in another topic. We're just talking about somebody that is missing. Somebody that is supposed to be your husband to be. That is missing. If you ever talk, this is an insult to my father. Somebody that you know that this man for now cannot talk nor speak. Somebody that is tough that you know that whenever he wants, he uses hand to give sign. How can you expect this man to begin to consult? Oh no, somebody that even when he wants to call me, that will be. How can you expect this man to begin to consult on the gods? The gods here, somebody that is dumb. Or that's like an idiot. Don't you find there, idiot?
Well, don't make it your problem. What exactly
You are my
is your
problem. You are my problem. You are my problem.
You need to be coming down. You need to make a cook avuke.
Because
you need.
Mugu, idiot.
Udami, why are you doing this?
Why would I do that? We were just talking about someone that is missing. The priest is missing. Also, to that person that is supposed to be your husband is missing. If you can't your father anything.
You need to be coming down. information. And I go down me moti that do that.
It's okay. It's okay. What can you? Stop
it. It's not nice. Your father is supposed to say something. He's the mouthpiece of the God.
Mba, your mother is supposed to say something. She's the mouthpiece of the gods. Yes. Who is this idiot? You
see, no news yet about his whereabouts.
Hey. Oh no. You said the same thing yesterday. I pleaded with you that we should report this to the police. Oh no. We're talking about your brother's son here. The heir to the throne of this great kingdom. Oh no, what are you saying? Are we going to fold our hands and watch things go bad? Is that what you're telling me? We need to do something. Remember how the king, the Lolo, and the princess died in a motor accident. And now his only son. Oh no, what of if he's suffering wherever he is? Oh, Bruno, son, do not have no. How are we going to know?
Don't cry. Don't worry. I will handle this. As owner of this our great kingdom, I will find him dead or alive.
Isegini. Yeah. Oh no. Isegini. Dead or alive? Wupaso. What are you saying? No, what exactly are you telling me? Oh no. You're talking about your own son, your brother's son. You're saying dead or alive. Chukwamankwe. Nothing will happen to Osondo. What kind of rubbish? What are you even saying?
So you are shouting at me.
Before God, open a burrow. No,
Kechi, you are shouting at me.
I'm laughing at you.
I will tell you that Ishokatan Choncho, Ishotan Choncho. Continue shouting. Continue shouting.
Whether dead or alive, you
go eat better food today. I need you to have all the strength in this world. Because today, I need you to expand me, expatiate me, conjugate me, visualize me, bastardize me, as in roundabouts me. In fact, scatter me. I want to be hearing sound like, give me God style. Let me see, I need you to have strength. Eh? See, anything. Come on, open your mouth and eat. What do you want to say? Okay, open your mouth. I need you to have strength. You need to show me that you are a man. You cannot have that in there and just, if I go there, you fall. If I go there, you fall. Take it. Wait. Okay, eat. Eat. They talk, they look me. I need you to make me feel like a woman. Hi! Odogu! President General among the nation. But I need you to nation me today. That thing must stand though. No, it must stand above every other thing. Ngwa. Open. See, now this thing, you see this thing where they do, it vex me. It vex me. Open mouth, make you chop. They beg me. Ha! Climb me today. Oh.
Hello.
You must finish me today. Wait.
Hello.
Oga, chop.
Osondo. Chineke biko mekwere m ebere. Osondo. Where will he be now? Osondo. Manu ahụ. Kinga kpụ nduki iberibe ọ na-eme. Osondo. Oh, we gonna not be oba. You see, I draw that boy in ma. Osondo. Hey, give me Gachoro, Osondo. Where will I start looking for him? Osondo. Osondo.
She bought me. I'm gonna leave. He did it. It's a problem. I'm gonna leave. Nothing that is scattered. I'm gonna Papa, Barnas! Come on.
You dey post because of juju when you carry. You dey feel say now you be galadima oh.
Where's your key? Come here. Oga waka na dey call you, you dey slow. Wetin dey do you? Be typewriter? Why you dey look me like say you never see woman before?
Don't feel offended. You see your mother at home.
See her here. See her, you dey here. Don't see her. She's here. Na my mama you dey find make you dey look me like. Oga dey go, she dey house.
When you dey oppress people with your power, you think say you going forever.
You should say no. Yeah. Let's go. Come back. Oga, come back. Say talk to the waka. Oga, move fast now. Why you dey slow? John Wick, stand here. What thing you know? Or what did you hear?
I just want to.
You just want to do what? I never talk, you just want to. What? The way they see you, be like say you like talk well. No, you be parrot. Oh, you be parrot. You want sing for me. Oh. Carry your dead body, they go, I beg. Okay, they go. Say no saw Sunday in my house. Anyways, I don't want to take concern. I go chop that boy. I go chop him waiting no good. I go chop him intestine for what?
Hey, this girl is evil. Just like her mother. So, she's the one that has been holding Osondo.
His disappearance will delay the documentation of the sale of that land. The men are ready, but I don't know what else to tell them.
You know, his disappearance would have been an advantage to us. Yes, but I really do not know. Because they know him.
Yes.
And we need him.
Exactly.
But I think you should go ahead. Tell them to come for the documentation and sale of the land. I know exactly what to do.
I will do that.
I
will do that.
I know what to do.
Well. Hey.
She kept me here. What did I do?
Who?
Rita.
Rita!
Yes.
Chineke.
She's very wicked. She's very wicked. She and her mother.
Is that Rita? Thunder will fire that girl.
Amen.
Thunder that is going to Zamfara will turn back and follow Akumanse
Amen.
through Munede and fire her.
I hope she do not touch you.
Hi.
Think because she did not hurt you. Hey. Thank God, though.
I don't know what
Udaume. See, Udaume, we need to report this to the police. Rita will not go scot-free.
Ganadia. That girl is an idiot. That Rita is a criminal. If we should report this thing now to the police, wow. As a girl, they would turn the case against us. Since I know you keep the head that we kidnapped him. If our police with women now, on your head, they will turn the case against us. Don't try it to see all you have to do now. Boya, just take him.
I hope everything is I just want to be sure everything is intact.
Go. Everything. He said, nah, go the body. We are talking about safety. Good body, Kichiabody.
Why are you acting as if I planned it? Let me see. I will not take the blame. I don't fit take blame for what I don't know about.
Stop following me, Nemo. I am not angry with you. Imeche, go enjoy, no problem. Go to your house. Let me go to my house. I need to go and think about my life. Can what you name?
Say, Nkechi. What I do now? Women, I don't know how they think. Women, how do you people reason? It's just like saying I carry myself, go lock for dead just to be making out with Rita. Nkechi, think, Nkechi. Huh? But wait, if not be this Nkechi, and for the revenge now, I would have, it would be my own turn to do my own. Because Rita raped me. I'm supposed to be raping her back. Yes. Person kidnapped me, raped me. Me as the man, I'm supposed to be raping her back. Like, really good. I'll be one person. Nkechi!
Could this be true? No, it's awesome to the prince saying the truth. That Rita was cow on him while holding him captive. It's unbelievable. It can't be. Chiro, it was like this now, tied leg and hand. And how possible would Rita be? Whoa, go. Chiro, let me understand. This is how it was. Or the person. How? When the people tear and the people talk, then sat on him. How? Hi! God, cannot be true. Because let me call it. This is how it was now when we came and lose him. How come? On. Does it mean that when she wants to on him, she will lose this thing? Then maybe cow. You could be like this, so you could be like, hi, Chineke. Hello, I'm going. Chiro, Rita. Now, so the prince will do. Why holding him on stage? I want to just understand. Let me understand. Prince, we do it. It's not possible. It's not possible that the girl will be digging her grave on him. Why like this? No. No. It's not possible.
You dey travel. You don't even tell me. I say you love me. Now so our love be. Okay. Where you dey travel go? Where you dey go?
No. Go and bring megaphone. With them Mrimwa. Let me go and announce it everywhere that I'm traveling. Or Sunday. Haven't I warned you to stay away from me? Haven't you done enough? Stay away from me. You shouldn't be worried about where I'm going to. I need to leave this place to clear my head. You should be more worried for you to go and continue from where you stopped. Don't stop.
But you not even say they travel now. Why you dey talk like say na me kidnap myself? Like say na me force myself. Which can't tell me this? Huh? Only me kidnap myself? You better forgive me so that I go forgive you too. Make we forgive each other. Eh? Ingaji! Ege! Ege, see, forgive me, let me forgive you now. Why? I thought you loved me. Where are you traveling to? I hope Osondo.
Udaume, please. Udaume. Everything has fallen apart.
Everything, who fall?
Udaume, I don't think I can continue. Everything has fallen apart.
But who fall? I mean, sorry, who fell? What fall? What happened? Who fall? Who fell? Who fall? What happened? What fell?
Udaume, you know everything I've done for Prince Osondo.
Yes, Prince Osondo, yes.
You know everything I've been through with him.
Hi.
Because your father was the one that said that he is to marry me. He's my future husband.
Yes, your future husband. Yes, my father, he said it. The boss said to him.
But he did not mention to me that he will be mentally deranged. Why? Everything I did for him, I was there for him. I suffered Suriana Gari Konyara.
Sorry,
Ebele Okaro. Your father did not tell me the truth.
Amba.
Oborita Ogemea.
What?
Oburuwakea Ogemea.
Ogenti, listen, the gods are wise. The gods are wise. I mean, it was what the God said to him. Probably the God did not reveal that side to my father. But the God said, he said to you what the God said. Do you understand? So, Amber, you tried. Yeah, you tried because I can feel your pains. You understand me? Because, sorry, just calm down. Oh, don't worry. You know, my father said that if that's Osondo, Prince Osondo, that if he marries you, that you will save this community. You will be a blessing. That you understand. That's what he said. He said, if. Yes, if
Udaume.
Yes, if.
Is if you're telling me. Did you listen to yourself? If.
Yes,
If. And I've been turning down all the suitors coming to marry me. If.
Yes, if.
I was following him everywhere to make sure he's fine. If.
Yes,
I was taking every shit.
If, yes.
If everything, what did he pay me back with? Ojeje Tujarita. Ojeje Tujarita.
Sorry, nigga.
Ojeje Tujarita.
You don't know.
Oh, that's no mistake.
Sorry. You know, my own cry. I've been holding myself not to cry. But I come on, Sorry. My cry. Sorry.
Sorry. Osugo. You have tried. As human being that you are, you have tried. You know? It's all right. So so where as you are going now, where are you headed?
I'm going to my maternal village.
Okay.
I want to change environment. I am tired. Let's Lita have him or let him enjoy a churro.
Bro, that's Aburo, just go and cool off. Remember, do not go there and begin to dance to some other man's tone. You know, my father said if it's from my father. Also, if it's my father that said. He said if you marry Prince, Amosono, ta, chuwogo good idiot. Amosono. Osondiji. Otagotarita. Amosono. Chuwogo good idiot. My father said if you marry the prince, it will change. I said if you walk in there, Mugu. No.
What else can be done to this boy so he will stay off my path? He has refused to die despite everything I did with Mama Rita. What kind of a human being is this? What kind of an evil spirit is protecting him? Now, this company has said we must come with him to sign for payments. Just imagine. What can an imbecile like him do with 400 million naira? Just imagine. I feel like strangling him to death. What do I do to remove him from this?
You dey post because of juju when you carry. You dey feel say now you big aladima oh.
Also, see, I met with Rita and
Wait. Where is she? That girl deserves to suffer. She need to suffer. Nkechi left because
she can't understand all these things. Make you know they use force always. See. It is not everything that you use force. You don't use force to teach people. Even me myself, I was shocked that she stopped to listen to me. I'm telling you.
listen to you. She be dey listen to you before.
It should be the least, but
that girl needs make I just tell you now. That girl deserves to stay for police custody.
Now give me.
She deserves to be in the police station.
Now who is again? Say what happened.
Wait, Oda, is this you?
Hey, flesh and blood. No, it's me. I'm telling you. See, make I tell you all these things. All when they do crack and everything. It's the way you position yourself, talk to somebody. The person will begin to listen. Even if the person know they listen to you before. See, I was able to, speak to her. I spoke to her. I told her that what she and her mother are doing in this community is not affecting youth alone. Because she herself she's one of the youth of this community. She will affect her as well.
So wait till she talk.
The thing be say, yes now, I told her.
What did she say?
It's not his fault. Besides, if he was in his right senses, she cannot overpower him, not to talk of using rope to bind him and then mount him anyhow she wanted. But should I let this be? It means I don't have any feelings for him and a disobedience to the gods. But why would the gods know that he will be almost imbecile yet wishes that I, Nkechi, should be the one to go through the suffering of being a wife to a man who doesn't even have sense of reasoning? Will he ever get killed? Who knows? Utali is not improving in his condition. So there is no hope. What will be my fate? Should I let this go? I will remain a wife to a man who doesn't even know anything. Oh, this is so wicked of the gods. This is pure emotional torture.
Rita, your mother because you are one people. Rita, because you are not. I'm begging you.
Okay, now you know you are my mother.
Yeah, but I've always been.
You have never been my mother.
Rita, you are a wicked woman.
See, the people abroad, they have powers, they have things, but they use it for good things. All you do and your cohort is to tie people, maim people, and how could you be this evil?
It's for you and I.
Not for me! You did it for your selfish purpose. At my age, I am not married, Mama.
Wait, the husband will come.
I go around fighting people unnecessarily. I do things I am not supposed to do because of your acts of wickedness. Mama, today is your doom. I will change. Today is the last day you will ever hurt anybody in this village. You have tied everybody, the youths of this village, the elders, the women, the children, everybody. But I am going to set them free today.
I will change.
Mama, I said I am setting them free. I am ending it all today.
Why am I here? What is happening? Guards! Guards! Guards!
Udaume. Udaume. Hey! Huh? Udaume. Hey. Abara iwe. Ekwuru m ekwu. Abara iwe. Baalụ m nzu. Ekwuru m ekwu na yara atụrụ apọ m. Ọkwa nwa bụ nsi bụrụ ọgwụ bụrụ aja bụ ụgwọ narị atọ ogwu bụrụ ihe ojii. Gaga n'ogwu ka nka bụ ihe iri ọba. Ọnwa bụ ihe iri ọba iri ife dị n'ime. Sịgị baalụ m nzu. Baalụ m nzu. Mama Rita, your doom is now. Oh, one of them, Mama Rita, o tu aqui se cachapu, no quando é do, tudo do, eu vou na bumba gano chuja, do.
I need everything, Papa. I need everything. What is it? No! Bye!
I'm not here to fight. I don't want to fight. I actually want to say that I'm sorry. I'm sorry for everything I've done to you, to the whole community. At least I just found out that my mother was actually the person responsible for everything that has been happening. She tied everybody in this village, including me. I didn't know what I was doing when I was behaving that way. It's not my person. You know me before now.
Are you serious?
I'm not lying. I'm even on my way to go and see your son to apologize to him. I want you to even help me beg him so that he can forgive me.
Oh, this is one of your tactics to get at me up here.
I'm not lying.
Rita,
I'm not here to fight you. I don't want to fight. Yes, I just want to say I'm sorry.
My father cannot talk.
Guinea.
I'm telling you.
No
more.
He can talk now.
He cannot come.
It's okay. It's not because I said I've changed. I still you. It's okay, I was joking. Let's go. It's okay. So seriously? Before I can talk.
No, wait.
Indeed, the gods are wise. And their ways are pure.
Thank you. Thank you for not giving up on me. Thank you for understanding me. And thank you for knowing that everything that happened was not my fault. The gods are indeed wise. Finally, Onowu has gotten what he deserves. I only feel pity for his children because they will see their father naked in the market square because of his atrocities and greed.
He got what he deserves. That's exactly what he deserves. Evil must not go unpunished. I'm so happy for everything that happened. Meanwhile, has the company paid?
Yes.
Oh my goodness.
The company has paid 200 million.
2 guinea.
And they promise to balance the remaining money next week.
200 million?
Yes.
Hey!
I'm going to use that money for the development of this community. And I will make sure I give all the youths funds to start whatever business they desire.
This is good news.
Yes.
Baby.
Yes.
I want to say something.
What is it?
Please, I want you to make Odaome the head committee of the funds disbursement. Please, I beg you. I also want to beg you to please forgive Rita. Baby, please. She's a changed person now. She has realized her mistake. I know she was doing all those things out of what her mother taught her. But she's not a bad person. She has realized her mistake. And now she's changed. Please, just give her. Please support her in any way you can. I beg you.
It's okay. Anything for you. I will do anything to make you happy.
Thank you.
To err is human, and to forgive is divine. I forgive her.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
You are welcome.
You're a good man.
Oh, lest I forget. I want to tell you that all arrangements has been made for renovation of this palace. And soon, the renovation will start because I've made payments and everything. It will start soon. And after the renovation comes our wedding. Come here. Thank you, I love her. Again. Oh, the gods are wise.
You dey post because of juju when you carry. You dey feel say now you be galadima oh. Otafe wepu ake wenofe tupo ora ka madu oh. Kangwa yo yo yo. Ogwagu wepụ aka na jọgwu. Aka nsi ọhịa bakwa ya ọnụ n'ụwa o. Iyoko iyelele iyo iyoko iyelele when you dey oppress people with your power, you think say you go win forever oh. No ngwachelo. Ife dị mmadụ anya anyị yo, ife dị njọ jọgburu onwe ya o. Hey, there is no way evil can prevail over good o. Onye akwa asarụ imakwa onwe yo. Iyelele.